Okay, this is on the UHL job. This is video 2 of 2, 55847. So this is the indoor unit. So if you come downstairs, we have this system right here. Right now the furnace is sitting 18 inches off the wall. But we're going to scoot it back so it's sitting 12 inches off the wall so we don't cover this drain here. And we're going to move it over this way so it's 2 inches off the wood, but he's going to put sheetrock, half-inch sheetrock here, so you're going to be 1.5 inches off from your furnace off your sheetrock. And then I have this going up and going over 1 inch canvas, and then your cut lines are well, let's see, yeah, right there, and it's going to be 1 inch over from that. And then on the return, I have the front cut line right there, and I measured it. I made your duct 7 inches, so these pipes, we're just going to miss them. It's going to go right over the top of it. If you wanted to leave it there, if you want to cut it and coupling them and get it a little lower, that's fine too. I'll let you make that choice. But then on the back, I have a cut line right there, to right there, and side to side on this. So on the back of this, I have a cut line right there. So cut out the bottom here, and then I made you a starting collar, 6x6 starting collar for the back. And I made it, this is 16 inch duct, but I made it a 15 inch starting collar because you're going to be 1 inch off that wall. Okay. So otherwise the furnace is going to sit on a 10 inch base, and duct just as it shows. On the front of this, since we're scooting the furnace back, I'm making you a 30. So it's going to be a U shape, 30, 10 inch deep patch to put on the front here, to block that. And that's your starting color for the back. It's going to get a PCO filter box and duct just as it shows here. When you get this in, it should go behind or on the side of this, so he'll be able to pull this out a little bit. Okay, and then so your combustion air, it's okay, it's right there for your water heaters. Your vent, you're going to tie into the existing 3-inch PVC. I haven't written it down yet, but I went over the how we're going to redo the outside. Take that concentric off and double 90 it up. I just haven't written it down yet. The AC, I haven't written it down yet, but I just went over it with you. The existing 30 amp breaker is okay. Thermostat, you're going to put on a new Ecobee thermostat with sensor. And it looks like you have 6 wires here. And it's not a heat pump, so you should be able to get rid of that thing, that add a wire. Return air, so next to this breaker panel, we're going to add 30 by 8 baseboard grill low. So we're going to pan these two joists. So I gave you 160, 135.5, and a piece of duck board. I didn't write that down yet, but I need to get you a piece of duck board to put for a header on the top. Then on the other side of the wall, you're just going to put a 30 by 6 baseboard grill. It's not quite going to be center in the wall because the panel is there. And then you're just going to take a 10-inch round pipe off the return air down over and tie into, you know what, I'm going to have to make a little box here so we can pick up both joists. So I'll make a little 3-inch box that ties into. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Okay, and the electrical, I'm just going to reuse the existing electrical. And you know what? I skipped the gas altogether. So from the gas, I'm just going to, from this T, you're going to add a 2-inch and a 90 with a 16-inch, and then a 90, then your flex, and you're going to reuse this existing 18-inch nipple to come out of the furnace, and just put a new flex on there. That's it. No, that's not it. I skipped the dang drain too. Drain is just going to go to the floor, standard order. Now that's it.